still on vacation, but all of my friends are at work because they all have jobs. So I'm just out for a walk, just kind of enjoying the day. It's like really beautiful outside. So I thought I'd give you guys an update. The streams will be back next week. I think I fly in on like Monday or something, so maybe I can get it in on Monday, but definitely next week we'll be back. People have been asking me when SHSAT results are going to come out. They're going to be coming out in March. So that's going to be when we're going to be doing SHSAT material again. But there's plenty of videos to watch in the meanwhile, and we'll be back on the streams anyway. So if you do have a question, you know where to like pop by, you know? Dude, the vacation has been awesome, dude. I gotta say, it's been really great, and just to not have to work, and I hope you guys' breaks are going really good too. Hope you're getting done everything that you want to get done, that you need to get done. It's such a nice day though. It's so nice outside. It's good to be able to take some time and just kick it, you know what I mean? You gotta have that. 2020 is gonna be great. This is a new decade, so happy New Year's, and yeah, I'll be seeing you.